This is a very cool airplane. It can take off and land in something like 26 miles an hour. It doesn't need much room. You'd be surprised. It can come in really, really steep as well. Quite a simple fixed pitch single piece of aluminum for a propeller, an inverted V air-cooled engine. Beautiful work on this one, restored to brand new. Completely brand new plexiglass. Probably of a much higher quality than what was available when they first built it. Short takeoff and landing. The Fieseler F1 156C2 Storch. This one, the story of this airplane. It is believed that this is a German airframe built at the Fieseler work in late 1939. Its service history is unknown. It was found in derelict condition in East Germany in the 1980s. The plane is one of several Storch restorations completed by a firm in Michigan in the 1980s and 90s. The Flying Heritage and Combat Armory Museum acquired this aircraft in the year 2000. The aircraft is painted with the distinctive yellow fuselage and wing tip band signifying the service on the Eastern Front. The 2E+RA code indicates that this aircraft are of the headquarters wing of the Kampfschwager bomb wing 54. This unit participated in the first stages of Operation Barbarossa, the Nazi invasion of Soviet Union. It's been restored, all that plexi's brand new. The wing looks in really good condition. Air-cooled engine, kind of neat the way it all comes in. I'm going to zoom into that because that looks really neat. Look at that. That is beautiful. A little up is the propeller boss. Very nice. Gonna unzoom here. Quite happy with my little gimbal. Ooh, maybe we do another zoom here. Right on in. There she is. And I can stay on zooming right next to her. This looks like a Wildcat, and it looks brand new. Very, very short takeoff and landing plane. I saw one for sale. There's one of these for sale in the States right now, but it didn't have the price on it. I'm gonna guess and say 800,000. Parked next to a Sherman tank, which, by the way, you can still buy these things, but they're about 2 million. But they drive, you can drive them. This one right here operates. This one is fully ready to go. This tank was acquired by a collector in 2011, and it was restored by CNC Military Services in England. It got shipped here. That's hilarious.